Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the exact account and the device you use to generate backup codes. This matters because many sites tie codes to initial setup. Once you know the account, open your password manager and search for backup code or the service name. Make sure to inspect screenshots and printed notes too. If you used a trusted device, sign in there first to avoid extra verification. Have your phone and recovery email ready. They streamline regenerating or retrieving codes if available. You now focus on getting or regenerating the actual backup codes. First, sign in using your primary two-factor method or from a trusted device. If you bypass 2FA, you may lock out future attempts. Once inside, go straight to security or two-factor authentication settings. Many services only show backup codes once, so verify and copy them immediately. After viewing, regenerate codes if you suspect exposure. Then save them into a password manager and print a physical copy. You finish by securing the codes and establishing a routine. Store one copy offline, locked safe or envelope, and keep an encrypted digital copy in your password manager. Rotate codes after any suspected compromise. Make sure each copy is labeled with account and date so you can find it later. If things go wrong and you're locked out, start the account recovery form. Provide requested ID, past transactions, or device activity to prove ownership. This troubleshooting step often restores access when codes are lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.